Nothing, bro. Nothing. How you doing?
Not much. Just got done trading for the day, and then I have an appointment at work now in about 30 minutes, so I'm heading that way. But had a pretty good morning. What about you guys?
Nothing, man. So you trade. So you trade in the morning and then go to work after?
No, I actually I was off last night, but normally I work from 5 p.m. to 6 a.m. the next morning Central Time. So usually by the time I get home from work, I get to my computer, get ready, pre-market, and then I trade like the first hour. And then I'll sleep for a couple of hours, wake up, study, and then go back to work.
Nice. How's trading today? What'd you trade today? You have any questions?
Let's see. Today I traded OTLK, CANF, and BioC. I went long on all three, green on three of them. I posted up my charts and thought process in the charts section. On CANF and OTLK, had some fantasy orders out.
Wow.
Bounced when I piked the exit.
How do you like MIC so far, bro?
Oh, it's been great. Met a lot of great people. Kind of figured out what needed to click because I was having I'd have like a decent little streak of green days, and then I'd wipe it all out with like one stupid red trade. Yeah. So a lot of the people that I met in there really helped with like changing my mindset, mental framework. A lot of good book recommendations. I have a ton of tabs. I have so many different people that I talk to on a daily basis, and just helps kind of keep everything fresh and have everybody kind of like everybody on the same page.
That's what I love, man. It's like you're saying all like the key buzzwords, right? You have fantasy orders, you have a process, you recap your trades, you have a tab, you trade for an hour a day. You're doing everything and anything that you can in your power to make it so that the money that you make stays in your pocket. And that's important for everyone to understand as well.
Yeah, it's been a complete game changer. I've been having really good consistency like the past few months for sure. One thing I noticed is I started tracking my trades on TraderView because the way I trade, it's kind of like a bastardized version of like using pivot lines, line charts, and then I also use the 7289 EMA. So I always felt like I could look at the chart and make like, these little short-term like scalp predictions, but like it never felt like I had like a defined setup where, I needed like, this much volume, this much percentage moves, stuff like that. Like I'm still kind of working on spreadsheets from Joe Kelly's videos, but what I did is tracking all my trades in TraderView, like whatever my thought process is on that trade, I'll put like a tag, like a keyword for it. And now that I have like a few months worth of data, I can go back and look at like, let's say I was looking for an SSR bounce or 7289 bounce or something like that. Now I'm starting to kind of see what my actual setups are and focus on what I'm good at, and the ones that are just shit, I've just taken out of my game plan.
Process, baby. That's it. You're refining your process to make it so that you're making the most money. You're back testing. You're doing everything that you can. You're putting in the work, and that's why you're finding the success. That's why I tell everyone too, man. You can't just show up to the market and hit some random buttons and think you're going to make money. Just like a doctor or a lawyer, you have to study first. You have to put in the work first, and that's what you're saying you're doing, and that is what's leading to your consistency. I love it, man. Love it.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Like, there's some mornings where if I get home from work, if I'm, like, really tired, even if I have a good game plan, like, I know I'm not going to have the mental capital there to execute a trade well. So if I'm really good about not having FOMO, I just shut my computer off and catch up on rest for the day. But, like, let's say I absolutely feel I need to trade that day, I take it super, super small, like maybe 50, 100 shares. That way the outcome won't affect my account in any way, and I can still participate in the trade and get some more data off it.
Correct. And if you're ever on tilt, you have your tabs to get your shit together too,
Yes, sir.
Love it, man. Love it. Thanks for coming on, bro.
Oh, yeah, man. You have a good day.
Drive safe. Love it. That's what's so great about these split screens. You get to talk to different people. You get to see the different perspectives of people. You get to see what they're doing, how they're doing it. And maybe if you could pick up a little tidbit from someone and apply it to your own trading, that might be the missing sauce that you need. So maybe, like Jetty Bra said on Instagram Live, that you need to be going back and back testing your trades. Maybe you need to be watching more of Joe's videos. Maybe you need to be having more tabs. Maybe you need to be cutting off your trading. Maybe you need to do X, Y, and Z so that you could get to the point where you become a consistently profitable trader. Let me see if I can get someone else on. Does anyone want to come on first before I bring someone else on? Maybe like say yes, me, or like something. Let's see if this is gonna work. All right, I sent a request to someone. Waiting for him to pick up. All right, let me try again. Let me get Oscar on here. Give me a second. Oscar. It's not working. Let me try again. Having some issues right now. Let me just keep trying. Sorry, my IG Live is kind of acting up real quick. Some technical difficulties on my end. All right, Oscar, I sent you a request and just waiting for you to kind of accept it if you can. Let me know if you're having any other issues. You. All right, for whatever reason, it's not really working, so I'm going to try someone else. Sorry. Okay, that didn't work either. Let's try someone else. Give me a sec. Yeah, I don't think it's your fault, Oscar. I think I'm having issues with Instagram Live itself. Let me see if I can try something different. Give me a second. Yeah, every time I hit the button to go to yeah, I'll restart it.